Hey, everyone! Today we are diving into everything you need to know before staying at the 5-star Canary Bungalow on Phu Quoc Island, Vietnam. Before we start, make sure to use the link or QR code in the description to secure your booking safely. The location is excellent for beach lovers, with Long Beach just a 140m walk away and Long Beach Pearl only 250m from the property. With only 11 elegantly designed rooms, this isn't a massive resort. It offers a much more private and intimate atmosphere than larger hotels. Families should note that children aged 1 to 6 can stay free of charge, making it a great value option for parents traveling with toddlers. You can enjoy an Asian breakfast or a Continental buffet, and the on-site restaurant serves both American and Asian cuisine. While it feels serene, you're only 4 kilometers from the vibrant city center and a quick 20-minute drive from the airport. The rooms feature soundproofing and tile or marble flooring, which helps maintain a peaceful environment during your stay. The property boasts a very high service score of 9.5 out of 10, so expect very attentive staff throughout your visit. Daily life is easy here with supermarkets like C Mart and K Plus Mark within a short walking distance for snacks or essentials. If you want adventure, the hotel offers access to boating, canoeing, diving, and snorkeling right in the area. Check-in starts at 2 p.m. and checkout is at 12 p.m., with express check-in services available to save you time. Canary Bungalow is a fantastic choice if you want luxury and intimacy on Phu Quoc Island. Don't forget to use the link in the description to book your stay through the safest channel.